And
Great.
obviously, biggest thank you to Speed, because there's no other platform which gives offers to DM clinical pharma aspirants. So thank you so much to Speed. So I'd given the GTs multiple times, and most of the questions were related to GTs. Some
Yeah.
of the questions were direct from GTs, like 10 to 15 questions were direct from GTs.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to you
Thank
for,
you.
for getting a topmost rank in DM Clinical Pharmacology group as a super specialty of your choice of rank number 22. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Can we know a brief background history from where you started till date? What all you have done? Once again.
Yes, sir. I've given my MD in pharmacology final exam this year only. So September last was my exam, end of September. Then I took a break of 1 month because I was exhausted. And then some of my professors, they said to me that you should sit, because I'd got good marks in my final exams. They all said me to sit for the NEET SS exam, and then I didn't know how to prepare, from what to prepare. Then one of my batchmate, he said to me that you should go for like Speed. So I took Speed on third week of November, and from last week of November I prepared till 26. So I had like dot 1 month for NEET SS.
Very good.
So I gave my 1 month, how much I could, I have given, and Speed was my only way to solve the issue.
Very nice. Very nice. Great. Doctor, can you share something on the paper? I mean, what you wrote the exam and also number of questions you answered?
So I had taken 149 questions out of 150 question, and most of the questions were actually from related to Speed GTs,
No.
because I did not have much time, so I had given the GTs multiple times. I didn't have much time to see the videos and read the videos, because I had dot 1 month, so I had given the GTs multiple times, and most of the questions were related to GTs. Some
No.
of the questions were direct from GTs, like 10 to 15 questions were direct from GTs, and the rest were somehow related to the GTs.
Good to know, doctor. Thanks for sharing.
Thank
And
you, sir.
what will be your advice for the future aspirants of DM clinical pharmacology?
Sir, I think that people who have come to this field, they should go for DM clinical pharmacology, because it opens many aspects. No doubt, it opens many aspects. It gives the opportunities for research or going into the clinical field. It definitely opens a lot of aspects. So people should go for DM clinical pharma.
Great, great. Doctor, time to thank and whom all you feel that you want to thank them who helped you from day one till date in your career.
So first and foremost, I would like to thank God, because God has given me all these opportunities. My parents, my mother and father, who were like rock solid support. I have a sister, I have a pet dog. All these people had been with me, and also my college, from where I did my MD pharmacology, because it was only this year only I had given my exam. So for the last 1 year, there were so many difficulties. So many people were behind me to give, to come, make me come where I am till today. And
Great,
obviously, biggest thank you to Speed, because there's no other platform which gives offers to DM clinical pharma aspirants. So thank you so much to Speed.
great, great. Thank you,
Thank you,
doctor,
sir.
for acknowledging
Thank you,
it.
ma'am.
And
Thank you, sir.
we once again wish you all the very best and all the success for a
Thank you.
great and wonderful and amazing career in
Thank you, sir.
clinical pharmacology. Super specialty. Best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.